interacting with other students and doing better, it's always good for the parents. He is improving day by day, so this was very good for me.
जो कॉन्फिडेंस मैंने इनमें नहीं देखा था वो आज देखा है, और स्कूल में भी ये परफॉर्म करते थे पर इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था जितना इसमें है, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इनको देख के।
सर्वांग इज़ अ क्वाइट शाय पर्सन मैम। एक चीज़ मैंने जो कल नोटिस की है इसमें, ये ग्रुप में ना मैसेज डाल रहा था भी मेरा रोल बड़ा करो। What I was just looking after that, the confidence level, yes I should go, मुझे थोड़े और ज़्यादा बड़ा रोल मिलना चाहिए। So that
जैसे कि मोस्टली बच्चे होते हैं कि ओपन अप होने में टाइम लगाते हैं, कुशल वाज मोर और लेस लाइक दिस कि स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा टाइम लेते हैं। तो स्कूल टाइम में जब हम पीटीएम कुछ साल पहले तक पीटीएम में जाते थे और टीचर्स कहते थे कि पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत फोकस्ड है, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, पर शांत रहता है क्लास में। पर लास्ट 2-3 सालों से टीचर्स कहती हैं बहुत शरारतें करता है, मगर इसका मतलब है कि नाउ द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हैज़ बिगन, कि स्टार्टिंग में शाय था, नाउ अब ओपन अप हो गया।
I'm glad that she proved me wrong every year. Like I said, Aira यार अब क्या ज़रूरत है, this is your second year, तो अभी क्या करना है? तो she said नहीं पापा I want to go. So I'm glad that she proved me wrong this time. And the efforts you put in ma'am, and the energy, there's so much energy in the kids and how you channelize it, I admire it.
जो मेरे को सबसे बड़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट लगी है रिगार्डिंग MUN, बिकॉज इम्प्रॉप्टियो जो है वो सब्जेक्ट है जो सबसे डिफ़िकल्ट सब्जेक्ट है। रिगार्डिंग स्पीकिंग इन पब्लिक, एकदम साथ के साथ ही आपको स्पॉन्टेनियस स्पीकिंग इज़ द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट थिंग टू स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली, जो आप एक पब्लिक को एंटरप्राइज उनको एक सेटिस्फाई कर सको। दैट इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग विच आई फील कि इट शुड बी देयर।
मैंने इसको पहली बार देखा कि ये अनइंस्क्रिप्टेड यहाँ पे खेल रहा था, जैसे अपनी दीदी के साथ पंगे लेते यहाँ भी लोगों के साथ ऐसे खेल रहा था। शायद ये स्कूल में भी ऐसे ही इनको सिखाना चाहिए, बट सिखाया नहीं जाता, जस्ट पढ़ाया जाता है बट सिखाया नहीं जाता। आई होप कि ये और सीख।
एक काम करते हैं, कथक करना बंद कर, कथकली पेगी। वो वैसे गुड आइडिया, हम ना घुंडू पहन के डांस करते हैं, इंस्पेक्टर भाग जाएगा।
हाँ वो तो कर लेते हैं, बट उससे पहले ना हमें लाइव जाना है, थोड़े व्यूज तो मिलेंगे।
ये बंदी है कि चलते फिरते टिकटॉक
टिकटॉक टिकटॉक टिकटॉक।
ऋषि मुझे पेपर दिखा दे। अरे भाई मेरे को मेरा पेपर करने दे। मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं की। क्यों नहीं पढ़ाई करी फिर? हो जा भाई, हो जा। ऋषि चल मैं
First of all, we had a lot of fun. Do we agree?
Yes.
I think first of all, the classes were a lot of fun. She's definitely more articulate. You've honed her skills. And I think one thing that I really appreciate I saw here today was teamwork.
Yes.
More than everything, their confidence, their articulation. I think it's what they've learned is teamwork today. And across all ages. It was just not within their age groups. They learned how to interact with younger children, elder children. So I think that was great.
She is very happy to be a part of this. I was not very sure when she joined on day one. But then every day she would come to me and she would tell me different things. ये मैम का balloon rule है and this is that. And your books are wonderful. Because I am an avid reader and the communication books that you have made I've not seen a match. She always have those thoughts and emotions, but in the real life she would not come to the front and say it. But this time I can see that change in her.
For Amira, I would see that she used to participate in debates, but I have seen a change in her body language, the way she presents, the way she's preparing her speech, the way of using different words. Yes. Like, I appreciate that, ma'am.
For letting her perform openly in front of all.
Yes.
Yeah, now she has performed very confidently.
Yes.
And freely.
Most of the time they feel like मम्मा स्टडीज़ में मन नहीं लग रहा है, बोरिंग लगती है, मोनोटोनस लगती है। सो दिस क्रिएटिंग इंटरेस्ट इन ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स, दिस इज द जिस्ट ऑफ दिस वर्कशॉप एंड आई रियली I'm really glad that you gave him such a platform.
Like I feel like now he can participate and he can be more confident, and I do feel that he loses his confidence. So that's what.
No, not confidence. He loses focus.
Yeah.
Confidence अब नहीं कहीं जाता. अब नहीं कहीं जाता. Now he's charged.
Yes.
He's set.
Yeah. All due to you only.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amira is
a very shy child, I would say. She doesn't express herself very much, but I have seen her. She's now very confident, and she has expressed herself.
When she joined, yes, she was all excited all day. She's working for scripts herself, writing for the MUN scripts and all.
Yes.
I think she did an amazing job.
She's improved tremendously.
Yes.
And the first day she was, Mama dramatics wale mein jaane do, obviously because of her cousins. But the moment she came back and she was, Mom, I'm so glad.
Yes.
I'm enjoying the class. And the things she has really learnt this time.
बच्चों पे इतना ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस इसको पायल की वजह से तो मैं बता ही नहीं सकती कि कैसे हुई मेरे दोनों बच्ची।
थैंक यू जी।
180 डिग्री चेंज है जो मैम ने इन्हू सिखाया। मैं पूछना कि तू की करके आया, इन्हें कहना मम्मा सरप्राइज़ है। बट इन्हें लास्ट टाइम जो होया साडा इवेंट होया तो ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਇਹਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕੀਤਾ।
ਇਹਦਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਸ ਲੈਵਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਚ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਚ, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਬੈਸਟ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਿਲੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ।
थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू जी।
सभी पेरेंट्स आपको इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं और वो प्यार के वही हकदार होते हैं जो प्योर सोल होते हैं, जिनके आगे शीश झुकाया जाता है।
अरे नहीं जी, बिल्कुल जी, थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
सच अ प्यार।
Whenever she used to come back from the class, she usually wants to relax and enjoy her time. The time she came now after your class, she was always, let me do my homework for tomorrow. I mean, this was a big change for her.
Yes, yes. Wonderful.
So it was good.
I wondered how you gave them an atmosphere that they are so confident performing live on such people. I'm damn confident she can do anything
Now
after attending this.
Yes,
Definitely,
yes,
definitely.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All thanks to you.
Thank you जी।
For organizing such a workshop and for calling us here to see this. It's been a pleasure coming here because this is my first time I'm meeting you and seeing my kid here. I'm really happy and she's excited to come here.
I always used to think that she's already confident in in public speaking, but now I feel that she's become excellent.
Yes.
Under your guidance, whatever you do, you're doing great work and you should keep it up. She was a little bit hesitant when it was the first class.
First class, yes.
But then after that, we never had to push her. Right?
Yes.
She was more
Always keen.
on her own way. She really wanted to go.
Will.
Like performing so much well, so coordinated, so communicating so well. It was, ma'am, really a wonderful program. And of course, thanks to you, ma'am. So charismatic personality. So, driving the students already have this latent latent personality in themselves. But the only thing is how to churn it out, how to groom it out, how to take it out. That is how the Pileman does.
And when my bhabhi, she told me that, Kabir and Khushi are going, I said, don't worry, they are in the best hands. And so from 2-3 days, I was looking at them, they're like Khushi especially. Yeah. She's in so much confidence.
Yes.
At home also, like I met her yesterday and she was like, in open, like baat karne hai, khud aake karna. So it is a very good thing.
This is really a great platform, ma'am, you have given. But I think everybody has read book and there is a chapter, The Frozen Moment. I think parents have read the book.
Majority of them.
Yeah. I never knew this name, Payal Mahendra. I never. But the person whose story is mentioned in that book, once I think in 2016 or 17, he was my employer and he said कि लुधियाना में एक लेडी है जो 2 दिन में किसी भी इंसान को स्टेज पे खड़ा कर सकती हैं। I mean, आपको आता है नहीं आता बोलना, और अपने बच्चों के लिए एवर यू वांट a grooming class or communication class, तो आप कहीं इधर उधर मत जाना, you just find ma'am। मुझे नाम भी नहीं पता था, just enjoyed। और जैसे सभी पेरेंट्स ने कहा कि बहुत नेचुरल है, आप अपनी पर्सनालिटी को बिल्कुल टच किए बिना उनकी पूरी क्वालिटीज़ को इन्हांस करना, बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंट। और ये शी इज सो गुड राइटर, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता।
Payal, one thing about your class which I find really special and unique is you make learning so natural, so effortless. It's not that you are giving them some lines and they are just supposed to say those lines in the manner in which you expect them to. No, you are like inducing this thing within them, which is really, really important, really commendable. I don't think any other class does that.
So I think Payal starts this batch from 7 to 10. That's the age range, and he's 6.5.
So I told Payal, she said, no, he's too young, we can wait for another year. I said, no, you please take him. At least let him come for one day. And if you don't like it, I mean, if he doesn't like it, then we'll not take it forward. But I think from the first day itself, he was so happy.
I've been a part of some of your workshops, and I meet new people every workshop, and I've seen them grow from being very scared and insecure to blooming like flowers, and it's really nice. I heard all the reviews right now of the parents telling how they saw their children grow, which was really nice.
I was always wondering, what is she doing in to our class? Always. Then I thought I'll see it next year. Now I came, so I've got some lines to irritate her at house.
She is very shy in the house, and whenever she goes out, she is very shy. She cries, but after the workshop, I have seen a change in her.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you. The workshop was really good because I saw the second play. It had a musical touch into it, and how creative it was. So I think the workshop was really well.
I really loved the act that he put up, and all of the kids over here that they put up. It was really creative and something new that I've never seen before. It was impromptu. I've personally struggled a lot with this thing because there was no one there to guide me for this. I have pushed myself forward and I've put myself on the stage just so that I'm able to speak. Okay. And now I think that I'm able to do that, and I'm so happy for him that you're there to teach him about that.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
I always tell my mom that I love being here. Apart from coming for the advanced course, I've always wanted to come in this batch as well. I mean, the energy was really different. Yeah. I wanted to say that if I wouldn't have joined Payal ma'am's class, I maybe not have been this confident to present myself in front of everyone, and maybe not to taunt my parents, but I'm extremely proud of them. And now I actually feel my energy level going from red or yellow to green.
It was very different for me because I dance, I do Kathak, and I thought I was very confident on the stage, so I tried one of my declamations in the school, and I went to the stage. I was totally I stopped in between my speech. I was so scared. So that was the first moment I realized I need to work upon this. And then when my sister was finding this workshop, I was I want to join that. So thank you, Mama.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sridhar.
Sitting in the corner, I would read my book all day. For a whole year, I just talked to 5 friends. And then, when I did the class again, I was what am I doing? So now, I've got it out of that hole. I started socializing more, and it's all thanks to her.
Yeah, wonderful.